How to write a business plan for your home furnishing business? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would do your market and competition analysis, define your products and services, your sales, marketing, and operation plans. From there, you open up an Excel file. You write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Only then you can start writing, polishing, and editing your business plan. And this would usually take you between a week and a month. And to be honest, it's quite a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan done faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have a full-blown, detailed business plan, 40 pages, done within the hour. Not days, not weeks, hours. It's better quality because AI guides you through the planning process to make sure you don't miss anything important. It will suggest improvements, and it will write your plan in the perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it's an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write a business plan for your home furnishing business, go to modeliks.com right now and have your business plan done in the next hour. Enjoy planning, and for more information, look at the description of this video.